Hi.
Speak Polish?
No.
No.
I'm not Polish. I don't speak Polish. I don't want to be Polish.
I'm a tourist.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm Polish. Am I obvious?
Oh, yeah.
Do you guys have dry sausage?
I don't know what you mean by dry.
Dry sausage. Like the skinny cabanos? No?
No. We're known for our Krakow. We have Polish sausage.
This is the smoked sausage right here.
This is smoked Polish. It's hot. This is Polish sausage, and we can cut off as much or as little. This is what we're known for, our Krakow. You can get a whole stick, a small stick. We do it by the slice. This is Krakow in another form, like the Polish sausage.
Yep.
And then we have, we make an old world bologna. We make a beer salami, and then we're out of Italian now, but we also make Italian brats. Polish, it's not smoked, and pork sausage.
You guys make everything here? Like
Everything from the hot links down, yes, this meat we do.
Oh, wow, okay.
The ham and all this stuff, no, we don't make any of that.
how about this stuff? The smoked.
The post that's made right here, yes, in the back.
Nice. Let me get a like a pair.
You want like a ring, like this is vacuum sealed?
No, because I'm kind of gonna because like I'm on a bicycle, you know, and I'm riding back to Chicago. Yeah, give me one of those like that.
This, you want something longer or this?
Oh, longer.
Like cut something? You want
Yeah,
this?
how about that?
This, sure.
Yeah, give me one of those, and then I'll have that for the road.
Right, does not need to be refrigerated because it's smoked. You can refrigerate it, but
Well, it's just gonna be in my backpack,
that'll be fine.
but like, you know, my back is gonna be warm, so.
Yeah.
Because yeah, what I'm doing is for St. Jude's, you know, the cancer research.
I know about St. Jude.
Yeah. So what I do is I do 2 crazy rides every year. So this year, what I just did this morning is I took a train down here from Chicago, and now for the next 6 days, I'm gonna ride back to downtown Chicago along the Route 66 until where it ends at Adams and Michigan Avenue downtown.
Right.
And I do it for charity. And the last 3 rides I did like that, they raised about $4,500 for the charity.
That's nice, yeah.
Because I posted everywhere, you know, and I got my
Plus,
YouTube.
you got your GoPro.
I got my
Yeah.
YouTube channel, so yeah, it works. Yeah, that'll be.
Anything else?
No, I think I'm gonna be good because I want to try your local like sausage and stuff, and if
Yeah, because I know there's a big Polish community in that. So
Chicago, oh yeah,
yeah. So is that it?
that will be it for
All
now.
right. Well, we will donate this to you for your ride.
Oh, you will? Oh my God, are you serious?
I'm serious. Want a bag?
No, I've got a
Good
bag.
luck to you. Be safe.
Thank you. I really
Very
appreciate
welcome.
you guys, and check out my channel, Jungle Harry. I appreciate the donation.
Well, here, you cannot mention us on your channel.
Oh Lord, I will.
How's that to come down and see us?
Yeah, we'll do.
And we have a website too. So, all right.
And what was
perfect.
your name, darling?
My name is Rita.
Rita, nice to meet you,
Right,
Rita.
thank you, but good luck to you.
Thank you. I appreciate you so much.
So people that are on St. Louis, come see us or look us up on our website.
Will do, definitely.
Thank you. Good luck.
Guys, did you guys see that? This was not planned. This was not, this is definitely not choreographed or anything. Guys, did you see that? They just gave me 2.09 worth of sausage, Polish sausage, local, made here and smoked here. I could see the smoker back there going. And guys, and when I mentioned the charity, so yeah guys, please go on there and donate. I'm on LinkedIn, Facebook, and wow guys, this is just amazing. So guys, Piekutowski European style sausage cheese, pierogies, 4100 North Florissant Avenue in St. Louis, Missouri. So guys, I'm gonna keep this because these good things don't happen very often. Wow, I'm guys, I don't know if you can see the crocodile tears in my eyes, but I'm actually moved, you know, by that lady's gesture, guys. So yeah, when you guys are here in Missouri, And yeah, I haven't tried the sausage yet, but I'll give you tonight. I'll give you a very nice review on how the sausage tastes. She said it's smoked, so yeah, you can keep that stuff for months anywhere. Hey, how you doing? And you can keep that stuff anywhere for months. You can refrigerate it. You can you don't. However, so guys, yeah, I mean, I am moved. I am moved by this lady's gesture. So let's get out of here, as they say, while the getting is good. And so yeah, guys, from here we're gonna right off to Forest Park. So we found our deli, and we found more than just a deli. We found Rita to be such a gem. I found Rita to be such a gem, and she donated. Wow, that was her donation. Okay, 4.6 miles. From here, guys, and we'll be in business. We'll be about halfway till today's ride and sightseeing and visiting around St. Louis. Wow. Yeah, I'm still very moved, guys, but yeah, definitely Piekutowski on Florissant Street. And actually, you know, guys, if you go onto YouTube, before even I throw my thing on there, but yeah, like, if you Google or if you YouTube Polish Deli, Missouri, this is pretty much the only one that comes up. So yeah, this is hey, how you guys doing? All right, so wow, yeah, I'm moved by that lady's gesture, guys. Really and truly, at $21, I mean, it was $10 a pound. So Rita, if you're watching this, hopefully in your name, if I may, I will throw in $20, $22 into the St. Jude's Research Center Fund, for donating that sausage to me and my belly and my ride back up to Chicago. And of course, Rita, if you're watching this, please subscribe, and you're gonna see a lot more of your sausage on this trip, because not only am I gonna eat some of it, I'm gonna try to share. I'm gonna try to share maybe with local people here in St. Louis, or